FAQ on GSTR-1A, Amendment to GSTR-1. Form GSTR-1A is critical in ensuring GST compliance and accuracy for taxpayers who need to correct or add supply records previously furnished in GSTR-1. This tool helps GST practitioners ensure accurate reporting. This guide explores GSTR-1A, its filing mechanics, and its role in correcting tax discrepancies, offering valuable insights to practitioners. What is Form GSTR-1A, and who needs to file it? Form GSTR-1A is an optional tool for taxpayers to amend or add supply records to their GSTR-1 from the same tax period. For instance, if a taxpayer submits GSTR-1 for August 2024 on 10 September and then identifies errors in two records, they can use GSTR-1A to correct these before filing GSTR-3B. This ensures accurate values in GSTR-3B, minimizing GST return inaccuracies. GSTR-1A availability relies on filing frequency. Monthly filers, available after the GSTR-1 filing date or due date, 11th of next month, until GSTR-3B is filed. Quarterly filers, accessible after GSTR-1 filing date, due the 13th after quarter end, until GSTR-3B for the same period filed. Key filing details for GSTR-1A. No due date. GSTR-1A has no fixed due date but must be submitted before filing GSTR-3B. One-time filing. GSTR-1A can only be filed once for a particular tax period. After GSTR-3B is submitted, further amendments in the same tax period are not allowed. Taxpayers can access GSTR-1A in two specific situations. To add supply records missed during initial GSTR-1 filing. To correct any discrepancies in records already filed in GSTR-1 for the same tax period. GSTR-1A cannot amend past GSTR-1 records beyond the current tax period. Corrections must be done in future GSTR-1 filings per GST loss deadlines. Several rules govern the use of GSTR-1A. No nil GSTR-1A. Filing a nil GSTR-1A is not allowed. Recipient GSTN. The recipient's GSTN cannot be amended in GSTR-1A but can be altered in subsequent GSTR-1 submissions. Debit credit notes. Details of debit or credit notes can be added in GSTR-1 or corresponding tables. IFF amendments. Quarterly filers using Invoice Furnishing Facility (IFF) for M1 or M2 can amend these details in GSTR-1A post-quarterly GSTR-1 submission. If GSTR-1A records are saved but not filed before GSTR-3B, taxpayers will face errors that block GSTR-3B filing. Solutions include deleting saved records, resetting GSTR-1A, or filing GSTR-1A first. To simplify compliance, GST practitioners must ensure timely amendments via GSTR-1A and manage dependencies with GSTR-3B filings. Mistakes like saving incomplete records in GSTR-1A can lead to filing delays and complications for taxpayers. Form GSTR-1A allows taxpayers and GST practitioners to amend inaccuracies or add missing records, bridging gaps between GSTR-1 and GSTR-3B filings. Understanding its functionality helps practitioners guide taxpayers effectively, ensuring compliance. Proper management of GSTR-1A submissions enhances GST return integrity and reduces audit risks, a key goal for GST experts.